So that grey 4x4 looked like the driver was looking down. This lady is talking on her phone in the Fiat. EU64VPY. I saw a phone being held up. Little WhatsApp going on there. I can see WhatsApp on the screen. She was talking earlier, whereas now I'm certain she's just chewing gum. And we have, yep, open WhatsApp that she was using, thank you. And I thought I saw this gentleman here down on his phone as well. Put it away now. Another one bites the dust.